we don't bother animals, God's creatures here in Texas. But if you go over to Louisiana, you know how you can tell when you're in Louisiana? You see him pulled over on the side of the road looking in the ditch for something to eat. They'll eat anything over there in Louisiana, I'm here to tell you.
Hey guys, so what do you think about that? A lot of these CB operators are spending $5,000, maybe even more. FT5, FTDX 5000 MP, FTDX 10, FTDX 101 MPs, 7610s. I've heard of these guys using these things on the CB bands. And some of the guys are pretty damn smart. I gotta say that. I think a lot of us hams that have been around a little bit don't give some of these guys credit for some of their knowledge about electronics and things like that. But of course, the other 95% on CB, well, we'll just call it kind of the criminal band. So it has its uses though. So I get on there occasionally. I've got this little unit in Washington base station that a DDS VFO was installed in it. We'll get to that story some other video. But anyways, just tuning around and listening to this sort of thing. This isn't meant to be a very long video, but kind of get your comments going a little bit on it. Then I heard a guy using the same, close to the same amplifier that I have, a Henry 3K Classic Mark II, or X Mark II export version. I've got a 5K transformer in this one. This guy apparently said he had an 8877 in it. Okay. And he made the statement he has an 8877 in it, and it's modified for a 3CX 1500. Well, that's the same tube. That'll tell you a lot what this person knows. But anyways, running 2,000 plus watts on the CB band, so it's kind of crazy. But it's nothing new. From some of the things that I've heard on the amateur bands, I'm going to give some of the CB guys another thumbs up. Some of these, well, we like to call them CB extras, some of these new folks that went from 0 to extra in 10 minutes. The stuff that I've heard on the air, whew, it's amazing. They need help because of the testing now. It's just ARRL all pushes, memorize everything, ham cram. Nobody knows anything. Have them pull up to the ham club for a test and have them build a 40-meter dipole and put it on the air, and okay, you passed your test, operate the radio. But anyways, we're not going to get deep into that. So what do you think about it? Put your comments down below. Upcoming videos, I'm going to talk to you a little about vintage AM operation. Well, AM operation. Most of it is vintage, but I'm going to give you a little tour of my BC610 transmitter, and we'll open the back of it, talk about running AM and how to properly run AM. And I've got an ICOM 7600 that I installed a PAT or PAT board in the RF section, which gives me the ability to hook on a SDR onto the back of it. So essentially, I have my SDR RSP1A hooked up to it, and it just turned it into a 7610. So I'll go through lightly the install on that, how it works, and should you do it or not. That's upcoming, and of course we'll run some nets and things like that you'll see on the channel. So catch you guys soon, and hey, today's my birthday, so no videos tonight. This is all you're getting for the weekend. Talk to you later.